Welcome to my another video. Today's video contains 10 vegetable chopper that will amaze you, so don't skip the video and watch till the end. So let's start the video. The Muller 4-blade onion chopper is a versatile kitchen tool that offers efficiency and precision in food preparation. Made by Muller, a trusted brand in kitchen appliances, this chopper measures 10.6 inches in length, 4.6 inches in width, and 4.26 inches in height, making it compact and easy to store. The chopper is constructed with MU Chopper 4 material and comes in an elegant gray color, adding a touch of style to your kitchen. One of the standout features of this product is its 4-blade design made of durable stainless steel, allowing you to chop onions, vegetables, grapes, eggs, and cheese with ease. The blades are 0.26 inches in length, ensuring precise and uniform cuts every time. Whether you are preparing a salad, salsa, or any dish that requires chopped ingredients,
the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a versatile kitchen tool that simplifies food preparation. With its multi-purpose design, this chopper is perfect for cutting a variety of ingredients with precision and ease. The sleek black color adds a touch of sophistication to any kitchen decor. Whether you're chopping vegetables for a salad or cheese for your favorite dish, this chopper gets the job done efficiently. Its single-speed feature ensures consistent results every time, making it ideal for both amateur cooks and professional chefs alike. In conclusion, the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper is a reliable and convenient tool that enhances your cooking experience. Its quality construction and user-friendly design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a practical and efficient way to chop vegetables and cheese, this chopper is a must-have.
The Ruck Vegetable Chopper Slicer Onion. Dicer is a versatile kitchen tool for effortlessly preparing vegetables with precision. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel and acrylonitrile butadiene styrene, this 22-in-1 veggie mandolin food cutter combines durability with functionality. Measuring at 10.62, L into 5.52, W into 4.33, H, the Ruque vegetable chopper provides a compact design that is easy to store and handle. The white color adds a sleek touch to your kitchen space, complementing any decor style. One of the standout features of this product is its manual and hand-operated design, offering convenience without the need for electricity or batteries. Whether you are slicing onions, dicing tomatoes, or chopping fruits, this chopper is designed to meet your vegetable preparation needs effectively. The dishwasher-safe nature of this product streamlines the cleaning process, saving you time and effort after use. The V-shaped stainless steel blades ensure efficient and uniform cutting.
This Full-Star Mandolin Slicer Spiralizer. Vegetable Slicer is an efficient kitchen tool that combines versatility and ease of use. The product dimensions are 3.74 inches in length, 3.74 inches in width, and 10.16 inches in height, making it compact yet suitable for various cutting tasks. Crafted from durable plastic in a sleek black color, this slicer is not only sturdy, but also aesthetically pleasing. One of the standout features of this vegetable slicer is its dishwasher-safe design, which ensures convenient and effortless cleaning after use. The stainless steel blades ensure precise and consistent slicing with a blade length of 1 millimeter, making it suitable for a variety of cutting needs. Ideal for vegetable preparation. This Full-Star Mandolin Slicer Spiralizer is recommended for slicing, chopping, and spiralizing a wide range of vegetables. While the product is dishwasher safe, it is important to note that hand washing is recommended to maintain the sharpness of the blades.
The Vegetable Chopper. Pro Onion Chopper by Sniffitar is a versatile kitchen tool that stands out for its efficient design and functionality. With dimensions of 13.5 L into 4.5 W into 4.5 H, this chopper provides a compact yet sturdy build that can easily fit into any kitchen setting. Crafted from a combination of stainless steel and plastic materials, this chopper ensures durability and longevity in its usage. The sleek gray color adds a modern touch to the kitchen decor while offering a neutral aesthetic appeal. The standout feature of this product is its interchangeable blades, which allow for a variety of cutting options to suit different culinary needs. Additionally, the anti-slip design provides stability during use, enhancing safety in the kitchen environment. With a multi-purpose functionality, this chopper excels in efficiently slicing vegetables, making meal preparation a breeze. The removable blade feature facilitates easy cleaning and maintenance, ensuring optimal performance.